I also realize that we have a growing demographic problem. There's a lot of white male privilege around here. Hey guys, I'm here. See, that's what I'm talking about.
She's but window dressing. The broad has no superpowers and she can't even bench the bar.
Your patriarchy's showing.
This is ridiculous.
You said we mustn't perpetuate patriarchy.
That's right.
Yet we are not allowed to hit these women as we would a man.
Yes.
I am confused.
You're supposed to be.
See, you guys, this is our problem. Just because Black Widow sucks at everything compared to us who happen to be men doesn't mean that she shouldn't be included.
That is what it means. That's exactly what it means.
See that mindset? That's perpetuating rape culture.
Rape culture.